Mutabaruka. Okay? Because listen, I'm telling you this. Mutabaruka, countryman, is coming for you. Watch this.
Blood, sweat, tears, piss and shit. We survived. They came. Free man, free man. I sang songs of free man. My mother, chained to me, chained to them.
Y'all just hear that? I wanna know where the pussy really a talk about. My mother, I suck my mother's breast. Yo, totally irrelevant for the blood clot time that we live in. May I tell you, that brother ya, Mutabaruka, are the biggest con man in Jamaica. Take it from countryman. Not only is he irrelevant, but he took our Rasta capital, and I want to listen to me now, and totally sold out to the Rasta man them at Jamaica. And you can take it even a step further to the Rasta man them in the world. When we are looking for a leader to lead us, we have this con man who is taking our Rasta capital and use it and turn himself blood clot rich. And then when him do, the little pussy start this Rasta man and the man them a Bobo Hill in a St. Thomas and the Rasta man them in a Jamaica sit down and take that from the little pussy. Now me feel like that brother him I try be a god and ascension. You know what ascension mean? Trying to move to the next stage, to be godlike or godly or god figure. And it doesn't mean just how you act. It means actually transforming, like how Jesus died and them say he was raised after a couple days and went to heaven. You see it in the modern time how we live in. A good example would be, say for example, artificial heart. You soon see them work on artificial brain. MTV is working on an artificial brain. They're also working, doctors are working on nanotechnology where you swallow it and then it repairs your heart, your lungs, your kidney, whatever. So these are forms of ascension. We just want to educate people when we use certain words. I am not just talking out of my ass. Okay? I did go to school. Now, him take the Rastaman them capital and like me say, him abandon them and him leave them for starve, suffer and people ridicule them. You understand? Mutabaruka has never take a stand for the females them, for the girls them who get killed at Jamaica. All the pussy I care about is himself. And that's how me see it. And that's why me I talk about it. This is the part 2 video. And me did done say, me I go do a series on that idiot Dreadia. We're going like him a god and him perfect. And then all him do, him diss people. Now, he's this big, heavy dub poet or whatever the hell he is. Has he ever taken another young dub poet who has a fresher vision and bring them on tour? If anybody know of this, let me know. No, the only person with me know that this guy had even tried to do something with was Africa. And then him carry news on her to Tony Rebel because him and Tony Rebel is best friend. You understand? And Queen Africa cuss out him bumbleclad. Now, how do I know that this guy right here is a madman? We can take a page out of Bill Cosby book. You understand? You see Bill Cosby, give the girl them pill, this, that, grind them off. No, anybody is like that. Them alter ego is the dark side. So check this out. You see if Mutabaruka is God, then me are surely the blood clot devil. We just want to know that. You understand? Now, I want to know, listen to this, car. When I say I pay fuck with that brother you talk, very irrelevant. See if one can understand what I say out of this thing, and because me can't decode it. Now, listen to that fuckery where I talk in a modern.
I cried because they took my brother. My brother still sucking my mother's breast. My brother was fed to the sea. Oh, how I cried. My mother, they whipped her because she cried about them whipping my father. She the slave, he the slave.
Now, when you hear that, no peer fuckery Mutabaruka chat. Eh? Listen to that. Peer fuckery my talk, you know, when you can't understand that. Me can't understand nothing of that. And that him a use to manipulate people. Yo, him worse than Sizzler, Sean Paul, and the whole of them dirty artists. Like, I'm gonna talk about Sizzler too, you know. I'm gonna talk about a couple more of them artists there. When I say, people fi stop hold them people here to God-like figure and like them are the most holiest thing when them is nothing but a bunch, a con man. Now, him say, him are the most healthiest man, you know. And when me look on him picture from back in the days and now, that boy age rapid. So how pure and how healthy, if him did healthy, him wanna stay young, like how them say Jesus Christ stay young. Yo, that youth ya, Mutabaruka, a straight blood clot madman. I want people to understand this. You see when you have somebody start act like them a God, them God-like tendency and like them perfect, and everything them do, them right, them a straight blood clot mad people. Me I tell you, that boy Mutabaruka ya, like me say, him a the Bill Cosby of Jamaica. Now, when me concerned about, I'm gonna tell the Rasta man them again. Stop support that brother ya because him take, Rasta man political capital and him capitalize on it. And him don't give back anything to the Rasta community. This guy has become a polarizing political figure in Jamaica. Believe it or not, because him act like him not deal with politics and him not deal with this and him not deal with that. But you know that them a run money on the radio station for him talk hear fuckery and don't talk about them like how you would have other people, other vloggers talk about them. And if you look at the media in Jamaica, which include this brother, the pussy, them don't address the real issues. Thank God for the internet, thank God for YouTube and other platforms like that who can give people the voice. So what the internet did, it actually free us from people like him, because all them spread is propaganda and them own narcissistic message to fulfill their damn crazy or whatever damn need them have. You understand? It is sad him exploit Jamaicans, especially the Rasta man them. And that boy should apologize to Bumbuckler, cause me no care what nobody want to say. This man has become the most irrelevant person in Jamaica right now. You have so many things going on in Jamaica, Whole heap of things going on in the world, Real issues, and then this guy can put out a dub poet music album to blood clot. Yo, listen. There is no way me I got have film platform, film voice, and don't address some of the issues. That boy a straight pussy. You understand? And it just pissed me off. Because me listening, you know, like me said, me listen to him thing. And me try to find something to hold on to. And I cannot find. The more me listen to him, the more me say, you see him, listen to him talk. Him not like people. Him come in like me. Me not like people, you know. But me can get along with people and me know what to do to make things work. Him is a isolationist. Him have him big house, him this, him that. Him talk about when him drive down off of the hill and him see the boy them out there. He must say, boy, them can't find a job and this and that. Why don't you give them a job? You understand? I'm quite sure your family and your kids them well off because you have kids near. What are they doing for society? More than them just morph into this rich lifestyle and disappear. You hear them on the radio, then them disappear. Yeah. And then, like me said, them expect Rastaman to give them this big heavy clout and people, not and even other people, because a lot of people listen to this guy. You understand? And appear fuckery him attack. If anybody can make sense out of what he's saying or how it's relevant, how it can move us forward, please let countryman know. Last but not least, you see that pussy old boy, Mutabaruka, he might try to be like Selassie, you know, and have these great godlike tendency and lineage. But only can read him biography in Wikipedia. It means a nobody. Him can't compare himself to Selassie. You understand? Cause them is two different people. This is Selassie. They love people. They like people. Do things for people. Selassie was educated. Selassie was a marksman. He could have shoot sharpshooter. He was a master swordman. He throw up an apple, all 2-3 apple, and use him sword and cut it. Boom, 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 cut them in the ear before them drop a ground. Very educated, speak many different languages. You understand? You cannot be nothing compared to the great Selassie dog. And you see for the Rastaman them, may I tell you now again, him take Rastaman capital. Him take the Jamaican people capital. Even the political people them him take them capital. And him feed it into in him own self narcissistic growing needs. And now zillionaire, billionaire, and out there are this the Rastaman. And so me feel about this. You understand? Listen, let me know what you think about this video. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Me I go beat Mutabaruka like a drum, yo.